Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the things that I've been using in my hair to help it grow nice, long, healthy, and shiny. And yeah, so if you are interested in learning what I'm using in my hair, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so as you guys all know, I had cut all my hair off. I took my hair from all the way down to my middle lower back and chopped off 15 inches all the way up to here, and I've been slowly in the process of regrowing it out. So this is where we are currently at with the hair growth, and this is going to be about 5 months worth of hair growth, or 4 months worth of hair growth. So I am in the process of trying to get my hair to grow all the way back down to where it was, and before I cut it, my hair was all the way to about here. So that is where I'm trying to get my hair to grow out. It's going to take a while. It's not going to be quick, but my hair does seem to grow quicker than most people. And I don't know if that's just naturally my genes or if it's just what I've been using in my hair for the last 5 or 6 years to help it grow. So let me share with you what I've been using. So we'll start off with my all-time favorite product, and this is Kalia. And if you've seen any of my old videos, you know I love Kalia Products, all natural organic hair care products, and now they have full body products also. It is by far the best organic hair care product that I've ever tried, and I swear by that is what has made my hair grow so quick and long and healthy and makes it look so shiny. So this is the current one that I'm using, and I'll link the video below if you guys want to see my whole Kalia product review on all the products that I did use. But this is the current shampoo I'm using, and it is the Kalia Purifying Shampoo, and I've had this bottle for a while. So this one has a lot of rosemary in it. And this line is the line that I used probably about 5 years ago now that really helped my hair grow really long and really fast. Rosemary is great for hair growth, so this was the line I was using to help my hair grow really fast before. But recently, because I've color treated my hair, it's been a little bit more dry. So instead of using the conditioner, I've been using the Kalia Hydrating Conditioner. And this is the hydrating one. So this one, it does help. It's moisturize my hair a little bit more. So after I use the shampoo, I go in with this conditioner, and it just helps add more moisture to my hair, makes it feel silkier, easier to brush when I get out of the shower. And I think this is what's been adding so much shine to my hair. And I'm not sure, it could also be another product I'm using, but my hair has been really shiny, as you might be able to tell, but it's been like super shiny and just really healthy lately. So could be that, or it could be this product. This is just pure essential oil rosemary, and I just got this from Amazon, and you can get it online, and I can try and link it below. But it's just 100% pure rosemary oil. And rosemary oil has been like pretty much, it's like the natural Rogaine. It's super great for hair growth. It has a great scent to it, and I actually like it. And sometimes I'll just take the top off and just like use a little dropper and just drop it into my hair, and I pretty much just focus on my scalp, and then I just massage the oil into my scalp. And I do that all the way through, including on the back of my hair, like in the scalp. I don't pull it through all the way to the ends every time, but occasionally, if like I have too much on my hair, I'll just like pull it down a little bit. And I leave that, I try and do that every single time before I wash my hair. And I'm currently washing my hair, I would say every 2 days. So about 2 to 3 times a week right now. And it depends on if I work out, if I do an outdoor activity. I'm one of those people who I don't really like my hair smelling, and I don't like the greasy feeling, and I don't know, I just feel like washing my hair like feels really good. Like I feel really good after I wash my hair for some reason. So pretty much I'll do the rosemary oil, and then I'll do that before I wash my hair, and then I just wash my hair as normal. It comes out super easy with just a regular shampoo and conditioner, so you don't have to worry about it like building up in your hair. And if you don't like the smell of rosemary oil, this is another solution that I have. I filled this with pretty much all water, and this is just a little spray bottle that I got at Target, and then I just added probably about 25-30 drops of the essential oil and just shook it up, and it'll create this cloudy color when you do that. And then pretty much you just start spraying it in your hair, and then you just concentrate same thing in your scalp and just spray that, massage it in, let it sit for a little bit, and then wash it out. And that's just if you really don't like the strong smell of rosemary oil. It just kind of helps tone it down a little bit and dilute it with the water. But like I said, I don't mind the smell of rosemary oil, so I just do like the full concentrated, leave it in and let it go. And it's just like walking around with aromatherapy. And then another product that I use, and I don't have it here right now, but I use coconut oil. And I used to do coconut oil mask, I would say once a week. I was doing them pretty frequently when I was growing out my hair previously. So in 2009, I cut my hair into a bob, and then I grew it out really long. And through that process was when I was using coconut oil. And I would do the same thing where I would put it into my roots, but I would mainly focus on my ends with the coconut oil. So I would pull it through my ends, and then any excess I would just kind of drag my hands through my hair. And I do also have a video on the coconut oil mask, so I can link that below also. I haven't been doing it so much this time because my hair has been naturally so shiny. I don't know why. And it's also been very flat. You know, it's not oily, but it just doesn't have a lot of volume to it anymore. So I'm kind of afraid to put too much oils in it and weigh it down even further. So I've kind of just been letting it be, and every once in a while, if it feels really dry and unhealthy, or if I'm noticing any split ends, I'll go in and I'll just do a little bit of coconut oil on the ends, and then I'll wash it out. If you do use coconut oil, you do have to probably shampoo your hair twice. So that's why I haven't been doing it. It's mainly because I'm trying not to overly dry out my hair or cause any more damage to it. And the coconut oil does really replenish it, but for some reason I'm having a harder time in getting it out of my hair since I've dyed my hair. So I don't know if it's something to do with the oils, mixing it with the box dye color that's on my hair right now. Who knows? I don't know enough about hair color and all that stuff. I'm not a professional hairdresser. I just know it's just not working as great for me, so I'm just not using it right now. I think when my natural color starts to grow out more, I'll probably go back to using the coconut oil mask, but for now, it's not on the list. And I did stop using regular dry shampoo because I was trying to extend. I used to wash my hair like every day, and then I moved it to every other day. But in the process, and now I'm at every 2 days, but in the process of doing that, my hair gets really oily in between the washes because I'm so used to washing it so frequently. And I was using a lot of dry shampoo. And I think I was using the Batiste, and I know I used another one, but I can't remember the name. But I did like the Batiste one a lot. However, I would get such bad dandruff on like day 2 of using it. And it just drove me crazy. I'd rather not have dandruff. And I knew it was probably because my scalp was reacting really badly with whatever the chemicals or the spray. And 1, it's expensive, and 2, it's terrible for the environment. And it just can't be good for you to be spraying that directly into your scalp. So I just decided I'm not going to do that, and I started looking for a natural alternative. And I did. I found a natural alternative, all natural, organic for dry shampoo. So this is what I've been using. So this is my container of dry shampoo, and this is arrowroot. So if you aren't familiar with arrowroot, it's kind of like a natural, organic counterpart to, I guess, like cornstarch. And it is really good at absorbing oils, and if you cook with it, it's really good at like thickening soups, kind of like cornstarch. So what I do is I put it in this jar just because it's easier, and I like, when I need dry shampoo, if my hair is really oily, I just twist it off. And I actually have an old blush brush like that you use for makeup that I washed out, and I use that. I dip the brush, tap off any of the excess powder, and then I just dab it into wherever there's oil, and then I just rub it in like a regular dry shampoo, brush it through, and you're good to go. And I will say that this works just as good, if not better, than dry shampoo. It has absolutely no smell, which is nice. It doesn't leave a residue as long as you massage it in and don't use too much. And then it doesn't leave any dandruff, at least for me, which is really nice. So my scalp seems to be reacting better to it. So if you're looking for an all-natural organic dry shampoo, try Arrowroot. And that's pretty much it. That is everything I'm using right now on my hair to help it grow long and healthy. I've stopped using prenatal vitamins. The main reason was prenatal vitamins have a lot of iron, and my iron levels got really, really high at one point. Like when my doctor went to check my blood work, they got really high, so I just stopped taking them and everything's back to normal. So pretty much I stopped taking those, and I do still take vitamin D and vitamin B12, and that's about it though, vitamin-wise, that I'm using. So I'm not using biotin or any of the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, nothing like that. I've tried using biotin in the past, but it made me break out, and I don't know, I'd rather not have to break out, I don't really care. So yeah, it's just kind of doing the all natural stuff right now to help with the hair growth, and it seems to be going pretty well. So I will check in with you guys, hopefully maybe in a couple more months, and we'll see if my hair is any longer from here. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have anyone that you know would be interested in learning about hair care or the all-natural organic hair care products, go ahead and share this video with them. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos coming soon.